Claire, how important is it to have an elector on Gerry Adams in the constituency?
Very, very important.
It's very, very important. It's great to have him here today down Roscommon, and we had a great crowd out to meet him as well, so we're delighted to have him down, of course.
In terms of being out in the doors, what are the issues that are coming up for you?
Well, the big issue has been the Save Roscommon issue, where they're trying to propose part of Roscommon move into Westmeath. It's met with massive anger in South Roscommon and indeed throughout the county. It's been a massive issue in the last couple of weeks. We're waiting on a decision from the Commission, but Sinn Féin have been very strong, and we lodged our submission to say that we were absolutely opposed to any such move.
And a message to the electorate in Roscommon?
Well, a message to the electorate is that if they want someone that'll be honest and that will be straight talking with them, I would appreciate their number one vote. I'll work very hard, I'll be honest, and I'll be straight with them, and I think that's what we need in Roscommon. It's been very much left off the map behind Dublin and as well as the rest of the west of Ireland, but Roscommon and Galway need a strong representation, and I believe Sinn Féin taking that seat would be the best option for the people.
And I agree with that.
Talking about a revolution sounds. Poor people gonna rise up.